Oh, now it did.
See, that's how you know.
I'm glad. I see. So you had it aimed pretty much.
Yeah, you can aim it down a little bit, or you can just that's about right. I think that'll be
all
good.
right.
Just make sure that cord's not in the way. Your brake. I guess you're okay.
I'm fine.
Yeah, it seems probably below it. Okay, bye.
Bye. We're going to Coyote Point. It's Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day. What a beautiful day today. It is gorgeous.
Total distance 0.14 miles. Burn 5 calories. Current speed 9.5 miles per hour. Time of day 10:06.
I'm not a mother, so I can go out on Mother's Day and not feel like I'm cheating anybody. My mother passed away too. 2014. Beautiful day, man. It's not hot, which makes great biking weather. It's in the
Total distance 0.37 miles. Burn 16 calories. Current speed 13.2 miles per hour. Time of day 10:07.
I think it's about 54 out. 54 degrees. I've been wanting to get a camera for my bike rides for some time. I tried it on my helmet. Now I have it on my light. It works better that way, except somebody said Happy Mother's Day to me. Wouldn't be the first time. Here we come to the bay, everybody. I'm going to Coyote Point right now. It may take a longer
Total
ride,
distance
but
0.59 miles. Burn 26 calories. Current speed 10.2 miles per hour. Time of day 10:08.
get up the first hill. And here we are. Wow. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Morning. Morning. Coyote Point, when I go in the gravel, it's probably going to be quite shaky. Be a great experiment. Coyote Point's pretty, but it's been neglected. The roads and paths are very old.
Total distance 0.77 miles. Burn 34 calories. Current
I'll
speed
go down here.
0.3 miles per hour.
It's really
Time of
pretty.
day 10:09.
See the water? hardly ever lose power here. That's just I don't think that's the power station. Back up the hill. We're going to be going there later. I almost feel like doing a circle first. I have another battery.
Total distance 0.97 miles. Burned 42 calories. Current speed 10.7 miles per hour. Time of day 10:10.
Oh, come on, son. On a day like this, it's good to have sun. Yeah, let's do a circle. Morning. We're going to take the road less traveled. Robert Frost would be proud. Golf course. And this is the park. Not a lot of traffic on this street.
Total distance 1.2
Long ride.
Current speed 13.3 miles per hour. Time of day 10:11.
That's Map My Ride, giving me my stats. I love it. I like to hear how I'm doing. Some people try to stare at their cell phones. Ridiculous. Basically, I have this road to myself until a car comes. Have to be coming from inside the park. This is a huge golf course. Lots of people with money. Yeah, and there's a wind. And I got pretty strong legs. Make sure nobody's behind me.
Total distance 1.42 miles. Burned 64 calories. Current speed 14.4 miles per hour. Time of day
Bicycling
10:12.
burns an enormous amount of calories. Enormous. Feel like you're flying. It's fun. I love the rubber. The rubber on the road. Got a good bike, it'll take you far. So we went past Coyote Point. I lied. We'll go to Coyote Point on the way back. It's just to the park is still to my left. I mean right. Oh, I should know my left from my right by now. But I just had a birthday and I'm old. Hey, hey. There's where you get into the park right there. Boy, that camera really, it's like it's shaking around more than so when I wear it on my helmet, but I just hope it's aimed properly. I'm sure even if it was aiming down, this camera has a wide-angle lens. Things may seem further away than they appear. How many times have you seen that? If you're a passenger in a car.
Total distance 1.85 miles. Burned 84 calories. Current speed 13.9 miles per hour. Time of day 10:14.
Runners don't usually talk. I don't blame them. It takes a lot of breath. Okay, San Francisco. looking at it for a minute. It's just down the peninsula, but because of how the peninsula goes in and out, it looks like it's across the bay. Same with the airport. But I could ride my bike all the way to the airport if the Bay Trail went that way. It's supposed to, but it's not connected in many areas yet. Which is too bad, because I think they kind of just quit working on it. Everything's expensive. Takes money. Money gets put aside for stuff, and government officials make it go for something else. How many times have we seen that? Then you have to raise the money again. And then people like me go, I'm not paying for it again. I should shut up. But I feel like you're riding along with me. It's not like I'm alone on this ride. The Coyote Point's now to my right. I'm not going to see it because I'm not going to aim that way.
7 miles. Burned 104 calories. Current speed 12.2 miles per hour. Time of day 10:16.
No, I have cables and stuff in the way, so I can't turn my camera like James does. We'll see Coyote Point later. Right now we're heading towards Kincaid's, and the city's right ahead of us, but we can't see it due to those trees. Ooh, what a day. The bay is pretty damn quiet. There's a tiny wind. There's always a wind on the bay. Wind is a biker's worst friend.
Total distance 2.47 miles.
If it's going the wrong
113
way.
calories. Current speed
No matter what, you always go into the wind.
Time of day 10:17.
Take this bike path when it's very windy because it turns a lot, and it's easier to deal with the wind in tiny increments. On the bay you just get pummeled. You may be wondering why it's called the Bay Trail. It's because it's the Bay Area. Bay, 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 bay. It's all about the bay. And why not? We're lucky. Crossing the bridge. There's the city. I'll show it to you in a while.
Current speed 12.1 miles per hour. Time of day 10:18.
Oh, it's so nice out. My rides are just wonderful for me. How else can an adult get outside and have a reason for not looking silly? It's not like my friends come over and say, "Do you want to play?" Not at this age. Okay, that car's turning and so am I. Yeah. There we go. Stay on this moon patch. I wonder if people are coming to Kincaid's for Mother's Day already. It's a restaurant. See that sign? Kincaid's.
2.9 miles. Burned
I cut those
133
bushes
calories.
myself
Current speed 13.8 miles per hour.
to go around that corner. They were all grown in and the gardeners wouldn't do it, so I brought a pruning shears and did it myself. And I gotta say, I'm happy I did. Now I don't get slapped and stabbed when I go around that corner, and I can see if somebody's coming. This waterway is so pretty. natural or what, but I will show you the view from here. Look at that. I think you can see the city. Over that bridge, and there's Kincaid's right there. It's a
Total
great
distance 3
restaurant.
miles.
I can't
Burned
afford to eat there too
135
often
calories.
anymore. I haven't been
Current
there in
speed
years.
2.5 miles per
It's
hour.
expensive, but
Time
look
of
where
day
it's at.
10:20. Workout paused.
Same with these hotels. That's a hotel. There's a Hilton right behind me. Isn't that pretty? On days like this, the city looks like you can touch it. Get a drink of water while I'm standing here. I've been wanting to have this feature on Bike with Becky for some time. I'm not so sure people will really want to watch bike rides, but
Workout resumed.
the views are just gorgeous. All hotels and companies around here. And they're always busy. Because let me say, the Bay Area is, oops, a family. At least they're watching their child. There's mothers that just let their kids run, and the kids never watch. Whee! Pretty, huh? How can I stay indoors? I have nothing else to do but write, and my writing's important, but still. I eat like a pig. When I was dieting, I was on 1,200
Total
calories.
distance 3.18 miles. Burned 142 calories. Current speed 11.6 miles
In
per hour.
August or
Time of day
September,
10:22.
when I hit my target weight of 145, kept going for a little while. I left, and I got down to 137, and I decided that's a good weight. Now, I can eat 1,500 calories a day. 15. That's about the calorie for a man. But a man on a diet. Still, I eat over that sometimes. When I exercise, my FitnessPal puts my exercise calories into what I can eat for the day, and I could pig out and eat over 2,000 calories some days.
Burned 151
Not that I always do,
calories.
you know.
Current speed
I think
10.9
if you
miles per hour.
ate up
Time
every
of day
calorie you
10:23.
burnt, you probably would start gaining. And I'm so happy at 137. There's the city. I'm returning now. I wind around through parking lots a little and stuff because I like to get more miles to my ride. A very smooth parking lot. I can ride. I'm riding no-handed. No-handed, but you can't see. My bike is so well balanced. I can ride no-handed easily. I used to do it when I was a kid. I used to go no-handed standing up on my pedals and guide my bike between my legs. And I used to go down the hills. Me and my friends had a big hill.
3.55 miles.
Down the hill and around the corner with no hands, and all my friends thought I was awesome.
7.6 miles per hour. Time of day 10:24.
Back then we didn't use the word awesome. I think we just said, wow. Wow. Okay. There's the city. See it? See it? See it? Come on. Notice how many times you can spy the city when I turn. Thank you. They didn't make way too easily, did they?
Total distance 3.73 miles. Burnt 164 calories. Current speed 7.0 miles per hour. Time of day
There's
10:25.
always people willing to step in front of the bike, which I don't get. I don't do it. It's so easy just to step out of the way. Oh, it is windy over here. Windier than it looks. Usually when I go this early, there is hardly any wind.
Total distance 3.89 miles. Burnt 170 calories. Current speed 10.0 miles per hour. Time of day 10:26.
The neat thing about my bike is it has a clutch that keeps the wheel spinning. Morning. Morning. And keeps the chain spinning. Therefore, all I have to do is press my gear and it goes click. I don't have to pedal when I'm shifting. Isn't that cool? That was a feature of this 31-year-old bike when it came out in 1986. A feature that I love. There's one brand I found today that you can buy, and it's a Dutch-style bike that does this. But Schwinn came out with it.
Total distance 4.05 miles. Burnt 177 calories. Current speed 10.3 miles per hour.
I
Time
think
of day
Shimano, who
10:27.
makes derailleurs, made it. I'd have to look that up again. It's really nice when you're going up a hill and you're really need to go into a lower gear, and you can just stop for a minute and do it and keep going, and it's easier than having the chains already tight when you're going up a hill. It's just easier. I like easy. Morning.
Total distance 4.22 miles. Burnt 183
Airport's
calories.
on the right
Current
too.
speed 10.0 miles per hour. Time of day 10:28.
Airport to the right of me. I'll try not to break out in song, but I sing a lot when I ride by myself. Even without my headphones. I know these paths by heart, so I know every crack and crevice.
Total distance 4.4 miles. Burnt 190 calories. Current speed 10.5
No
miles
cars
per
at
hour.
all,
Time
except
of day
this one. Damn it.
10:29.
I can usually go across, but I think I'll wait. This gets really busy during the week, but I usually glide through there without stopping. Here's a park, Burlingame Park. I don't know the name of it, I just know it's in Burlingame. During the summer I stop and get sweethearts, but they're not open yet to sell candy and stuff. There's another ballpark. Saturdays they have hot dogs that James can't pass up.
Total distance 4.52 miles. Burned 193 calories.
Just getting some more,
Current speed
here,
8.8
God, there's
miles
baseball
per
on
hour.
the
Time
right
of
to
day
me and
10:30.
baseball to the left of me. And here I am, stuck in the middle with you. You knew that was coming, maybe. There's one baseball. And here comes the other baseball. Right there. See it? Look at those bushes, those purple flowers. It's so pretty. There's even a little garden right there. And I don't know if it's a little garden museum or what, but it's pretty tiny. I like to go in circles. But I digress.
Total distance 4.66 miles. Burned 197 calories. Current speed 7.6 miles per hour. Time of day 10:31.
Uh-oh. Better stop. This dog park right up here. And there's also a plant that processes garbage, and it's pretty stinky. Hi. But I know a lot of these people because they leave their dogs off leash, as you can see, but their dogs are friendly. The other day, though, I was coming through here, and some guy's dogs acted all mellow until I got right there. And then one of them started chasing my leg and snapping at it. I was so angry. Those are the dogs that should be on leashes. If I ever see that guy again, he's going to get a piece of my mind.
1.82 miles. Burned
Especially if his
204
dog's
calories.
off leash.
Current speed 12.2 miles per hour.
Morning.
Time of day 10:32.
Normally I'd take a break here. I like this area, but I think I'm going to ride on because I'm going to Coyote Point. We're back to Coyote Point. Isn't this pretty? All these wetlands. Highway 101 is right there. Busiest highway in the area. In fact, during rush hour, you do not want to be on 101, and you don't want to be going north or south. Everybody tries to plan around it, but the suckers that gotta work, oh my God, I feel sorry for them.
Total distance
Hi.
5.04 miles.
When I moved here in
Burned 214
1982,
calories. Current speed
it wasn't like
12.6
that.
miles per hour.
101 was just
Time of
great.
day 10:33.
In fact, everything was great back then. Okay, I'm on your right. I mean left, sorry guys. I don't know where I'm at. I can't believe I did that. I say I'm on your left all day. I guess it's because I couldn't decide which way to go around them. Some people you just got to go on the right. Right, left. Which way do I go? Oh, that dog's tired. Those dogs around here are really sweet. You just got to be careful if they're off leash, if they don't run in front of you at the last minute, because
5.4 miles.
they don't know
Burned
any better.
223 calories.
Even if they see you, they really don't know.
Time of day 10:30.
Let's face it, dogs are smart, but they're not that smart. The mud, when the tide is out, over here the mud is just so pretty, all the different patterns. I've taken pictures of them, of all the different ones. Really pretty. Hi. Used to be a lot more bicycles along here. I guess summer hasn't really started yet, so people are just... Morning. Some people talking during this because I just think that
Time of day
I should
10:35.
talk a little bit. I mean, otherwise you won't know what you're seeing. And this way I feel like all you guys are riding with me, you see? In fact, we got a great group today, don't we? Y'all just follow me. Hi. You know, I saw an article about California and we work out the most of any state, and it's true, and do the most outdoor sports. It's not just because of the weather, it's the people. They're really health conscious,
Distance 5.66 miles.
and
Burn 242 calories. Current speed 10.6 miles per hour. Time of day 10:36.
working out is just like important to me. I went riding yesterday, but there's no reason why I shouldn't ride today if it's beautiful. I got nothing else to do. Get outside and breathe some frickin' air. Oh, yes. Got air in my water bottle, too. Water bottle gives me the burps and sometimes even the hiccups. Here's the trees. Trees are my buddies. Who was that guy who used to always say, and I wrote a song about it, and it goes like this. Hi. There's a lot of dogs.
5.83 miles. Burn 249 calories.
Okay, here we are going over the bridge. We went over the other bridge down there when we went, and now we're coming back. Coyote Point's straight ahead. Not that you can see it quite yet. Actually, you can, those hills. Those are those woods that I walk up through. In fact, maybe I should take you up through there today. I'm not sure. I'd like to get some miles in. And if I went around, it would give me more miles. So maybe I won't go up there today. We'll be going around there, but there's a path that goes right over. Oh, there's a bunch of paths in those woods up ahead. My favorite goes right along the cliff. And you can ride a bike on it, but I don't. Because I don't
Total
have death
distance
wish.
5.99 miles. Burn 255 calories. Current
A
speed
lot of these roads are
12.5
dead end.
miles
This is
per
how
hour.
come I'm not
Time
out
of day
in the road. But there's
10:38.
Coyote Point right there. Isn't it pretty? Sticking out. Safe harbor. And crossing the street, no problemo. Heading back the way we came now. There's the beach. Be interesting to see how much this camera shakes. I suppose on YouTube I will take the shake out of it. Hopefully. There's Coyote Point right ahead. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. And see where the sun is on the very left hand, right on the cliffs there? That's where that path goes up that I like to take. It's good exercise walking the bike up. And it's fun going down the other side, of course. It's a blast. Right there. Right there is the Humane Society. And when we ride by here, we ride by all the outside dog pens and stuff. Looks like at one time they could have horses and everything. I go straight up there, but I'm not going to go